Port stage pushed. Engine arm is S. Okay, I'm going to get the pro. 99, proceeded. 3, 2, 1. Ignition. Right away, Houston. That's your good. Ag side. Pitch over.
Roger, you have good thrust.
On one of the channel's popular Battlestar Galactica videos, I was asked who was taking this image.
Tranquility Base here. The Eagle has landed.
Those of us old enough to have watched the Apollo missions live on TV were all shown the cameras and mounts that were to be used long before they arrived on the moon. Apollo 15, Apollo 16, and Apollo 17 lunar excursion modules all had the RCA ground-commended television assembly and color television camera, which is currently displayed. Once the Lunar Roving Vehicle was deployed, this camera was mounted there for power and controlled from the ground with commands to tilt, pan, and zoom. The camera could then capture the lunar module while both astronauts were inside. Larson and Bellisario simply used a later color still or photo timed with Apollo 11's The Eagle Has Landed audio for artistic effect. For the actual lunar liftoff of Apollo 17's LEM Challenger, the color television camera was left on the rover where it first successfully recorded humanity's last departure from the moon.
Port stage pushed. Engine arm is S. Okay, I'm going to get the pro. 99, proceeded. 3, 2, 1. Ignition. Right away, Houston. That's your good. Ag side. Pitch over.
Roger, you have good thrust.